Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny. It's Friday then. And Maniology, MXM093 and Cosmos as my stamping polish. I am starting off with Baby Girl Lacquers, Glitter Be Gone, already on my nails and dry. And here is It's Friday Then from Moonshine Manny. Now this is straight up jelly. And I love it. I'm just gonna, normally I can't be bothered to do more than 2 coats of any, polish color. But with jellies, I understand the reasoning. You've got to have, multiple layers to be able to let those glitters peek through, and pop out and all that good stuff. So we're going in with our second coat here. We are going to do a third coat, but that's where I'm going to stop. I'm going to slam them brakes on. Here we go, that third coat. And this is so pretty. I love, those glitters look like they're just floating in that polish on the nail. Just, magical. Love it. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Thank you, sir. All right, we're going to top this with I&Ms out the door. Going to get it to dry down. So I'm going to do some just regular old stamping today, nothing crazy. Sometimes time limits, make me just have to do one thing or another. And today I decided I was just going to do stamping. And cap that free edge. So there we go. All right, there's a swatch photo all on its own. And Maniology MXM093. This came in the circus themed or fair circus, I don't know, the themed box. And here we go with Maniology, and this is Cosmos, beautiful dark shimmery blue. I got a cube stamper out and my H. La Custodora scraper, and we're just going to put different images on all of the nails. I've already done my thumb. I can see it peeked out at me. I don't remember what I put on my thumb, but something went on it. So here we go. We're going to put the little carousel horses on my ring fingernail. Since my nails aren't super long, I'm only going to get one solid horse on there. Clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get this stamping polish off of my skin the best I can. There we go. Alright, so I'm just bebopping along. I do love that this plate had some like the stripes and the dots and just some more abstract, you could use it with any kind of thing. It wasn't really so much theme. You could use it anywhere. So I got my stripes on that one. And these little bitty tiny polka dots. I mean, just itsy bitsy. I do like this one because it still lets the base color shine through big time. But there's still something on it, But just tiny, tiny little dots. Love it. And then the diagonal stripes. To me, this just reminds me of wrapping paper, like Christmas wrapping paper. I have to give it another scrape. It's one of those finicky corner images. Sometimes I have trouble with those. We all do. Get that turned around. And voila. Ta-da! Yay! I'm going to clean up my stuff, my scraper card, my stamping plate. Bless you, Cotton. I'm going to clean everything up with some acetone. Whoo! The baby dog got some allergies, y'all. And that's with meds. Alright, so we're getting all that cleaned up. Going after that card again. What a mess. When I stamp with dark colors, I always realize what a mess I make because you really can see them. Little stamping mat, get it cleaned up. I clean up everything. Put all the toys away clean, Alright. Okay, so we're going to hop in with a piece of tape like I did on the other nail and try to get up as much as I can. I didn't put anything on my cuticles before I stamped, so I do have a little bit of residuals. That's okay. That's what the cleanup brush is for. And ta-da! Looking very pretty. The base polish is gorgeous. I am going to top these with some of the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And get these to, you know, dry down, seal in. That way I can put my top coat on. And today I'm using Seche Feet. We're going to get those sealed in. Y'all, Cotton got some sneezing going on, y'all. He is a sneezy boy. But we want to get this all sealed in and well protected so that we can extend this manicure a little bit. All right. Gotta get Woody back out, I'm sure, because I always do. I knew it. I knew he was coming. Thank you, Woody. Bless you, Cotton. There's my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.